Good morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our nursery and reception presentation assembly. As you can see, it is Wednesday the 27th of March 2024 and we're here at the end of the spring term to celebrate all those children who have been so amazing throughout this term. You won't see a great deal of me this morning, you'll just see amazing children. We're going to start this morning in nursery. In nursery, we're starting with our phonics certificate winners, and they are Tommy and Michelle. Well done, you superstars, working so hard on your phonics throughout this term. You've earned yourself your phonics certificate. Well done. Enjoy taking those home over Easter, you superstars. On to our reading stars, and not only will our reading stars get their reading certificates, they get a reading book as well. And it goes to Tia and Daisy. There they are with their books as well. But well done, you've earned yourself a reading certificate for the spring term and earned yourselves not only a certificate but a nice reading book to take home over Easter. Please enjoy. On to our mathematicians, and our mathematicians in nursery are none other than Shaban and Prince. And look at Shaban there, ordering all of those numbers, you clever boy. Really well done. You guys are so good at your maths. Absolutely brilliant. You've won the maths certificate winners. Well done for this spring term. Well done. On to understanding the world, and these children are incredibly inquisitive, asking lots and lots of questions throughout all around them. And there are Tamim and Cal. Well done, you two as well, understanding the world certificate. Keep being inquisitive, have lots of exploring to do over Easter as well, you superstars. Well done. On to our physical development. Our PE stars be working really hard and being super active outside now. Sam and Oliver. Well done, you two absolute superstars. Those absolute nursery superstars, all of you earning your certificates over the spring term. Well done. Enjoy taking those home over Easter, you superstars. Well done. On to reception, and reception phonics winners are, here they come, Lily, Arthur, Ignis and Gabby. Well done, you four. I know you've been working so hard on your phonics. You've earned your certificates for the spring term. Really well done, you four. Enjoy taking them home today. On to our reading superstars, and these guys have earned themselves not only their certificates, but a reading book to take home over Easter as well. Here they are, Victoria, Timon, Sabrina and Oliver. Well done, you four. You've been reading every single day, filling in your reading records. And I know Victoria, for instance, has finished her reading record already and on to her next reading record. So really well done, you guys. Keep that up over Easter, please. On to our mathematicians and our maths winners, and those guys working really hard at maths throughout every single day. They are Adam, Ciara, Evelyn and Omari. Well done again, you guys. You've worked so hard on your maths throughout this term. You've earned yourself your maths certificate, so really well done. Enjoy taking them home today. Well done. Understanding the world, and just like the nursery, though, these children have been so inquisitive, always asking questions, always exploring, but having brilliant general knowledge. And here they are, Helen, Ben, Luna, Ivy and Elliot. Well done, you absolute superstars. Amazing job. You've won yourselves your certificates in reception for this spring term, so really well done. Enjoy taking them home today, superstars. And finally this morning we have our PE stars. These guys have been really physically active and non-stop out in the garden as well. So here they are, look, Mia, Arthur, Felicia and Simon. Well done, you guys. Absolutely brilliant. Massive smiles from all of you. Enjoy taking your physical development certificate home today. You superstars. Well done. Weren't they all amazing? You have all worked so hard throughout this spring term. Congratulations to everyone who've earned themselves a ticket today at Presentation Assembly. Fantastic. Enjoy taking those home today. And as you can see, school closes today for our Easter holidays, Wednesday, 27th of March, 2024 at 3:15. And we are back on Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, when gates open at 8:30. Have a wonderful Easter, everyone else. Don't eat too many Easter eggs. Try and get out there and do a bit of exercise. It'd be lovely to see you all safely on Monday the 15th at 8:30. Have a very happy Easter. We'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.